Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to copy a comment from Instagram but can't find a copy button, in this video I'll show you how to copy Instagram comments on both Android and iPhone, even though Instagram does not offer a built-in option. So let's go. So sometimes on Android you can long press the comment and a pop-up will let you copy text. Try this first. But if it does not work, don't worry, keep watching. So here's the real trick. Use Google Lens on Android or live text on iPhone to copy text from your screen. Here's how. Take a screenshot of the comment. Now open Google Photos. And then tap the lens or live text icon. Tap continue. Now the app will detect the text. Just select like this and copy. Android users can also install the Universal Copy app from Play Store. After granting permissions, open Instagram, swipe down from the top and tap Universal Copy. Select the comment and it will let you copy it instantly. Sometimes copied comments include usernames or extra stuff, so just paste the copied items into Notes. Let's open Notes. Let me paste it here. You can use any other editor and from here clean it up before using it anywhere. And that's it. Now you know how to copy any Instagram comment using Lens, live text or third-party apps. If this video helped, like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.